It is a school day.
It is a school day. Peppa and her friend are having a music lesson.
Peppa and her friends are having a music lesson.
Ooh, Miss Polly had a dolly.
Sorry, Madam Gazelle.
Oh dear,
Oh dear, Pedro has gone.
Pedro has a cough.
Not to worry, I'll ring.
Not to worry, I ring Driver Brown Bear.
Dr. Brown Bear.
Dr. Brown Bear speaking.
Hello, doctor. Hello, doctor. Yes, Mother Gazelle. A child is ill.
This is Madame Gazelle. A child is ill.
A child, doctors. Don't panic. It's coming to change our way.
I'll come straight away.
A one picture.
What seems to be the problem?
I've got a cough.
I see. Is it a tickly cough?
It's a tickly cough or a chesty cough.
Or a chesty cough?
I don't know.
I don't know. But it's got like
But
this.
it goes like this.
And when did you get this cough?
When Mother Gazelle starts singing.
Gazelle started singing.
It's nothing serious.
It's nothing.
But Pedro's cough may be catching.
What do you mean?
What do you
catching?
mean?
When one person has a cough,
And one person has cold.
sometimes other people get that
Some other piece. Pepper gets the cold too.
cough too.
Do I need medicine?
Just a little spoonful. I'm afraid it doesn't
Our friend is doing just very nice.
taste very nice.
It tastes like an old
It's like an oyster, fruit or
spoon
jam.
full of jam.
Thank you, Dr. Brown Bear.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
As I thought,
As I told, Pedro cold is
Pedro's cough
catching.
is catching. Danny Dog and Susie Sheep, of
Pedro
course.
and Susie Sheep have cat Pedro cold.
Pedro's cough. Open wide.
Ugh, it tastes of carpet-flavoured yogurt. It tastes of flowers.
Well done for
Well done for taking our brother so
taking
well.
your medicine so well.
Do you ever get
Did
ill,
you like
Dr.
your
Brown Bear?
No, Peppa, I'm never.
No, Peppa, I'm never eat an apple a day.
Ill. I eat an apple a day. Goodbye.
Bye. Wow.
It is home time.
At home, Jamie and the children parents are here to pick them up.
Children's parents are here to pick them up.
Mummy, Daddy,
Mummy,
I've
Daddy,
got a cough.
I have
Dr. Brown Bear came
Brown
and looked
Bear
after
came
us.
and
He gave us horrible medicine. Madam Gazelle,
Madam Gazelle, can you sing your song now?
can you sing your song now?
Of course, Peppa.
Of
Ooh, Miss Polly had a dolly who was...
Daddy what?
Oh dear, all the grown
Oh dear, ground up. I have copper
ups have got
cold.
Pedro's cough. Dr. Brown Bear
That's a
speaking.
problem.
This is Peppa Pig.
Peppa
All the
Pig.
grown-ups are
Oh,
in.
Not to worry, Peppa. I'm on my way. Hello, everyone. Caught Pedro's cough, have we?
Very well. Start in list and open well.
Very well. Stand in line and
Stand
open
right
wide.
and wide.
Oh.
Ew. It tastes like custard and
The color is castles and oak
old
sauce.
socks.
Thank you for looking
Thank
after
you
us,
for the
Dr. Brown Bear.
offer.
Who looks after you when you're ill?
No one looks after me.
No one look after me. I'm never ill.
I'm never ill. Oh dear, Dr. Brown Bear has caught Pedro's cough. Not to worry.
Not to worry. Goodbye.
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 Poor Dr. Brown Bear. He's ill and there's no
And there's no one to look after him.
one to look after him.
Who can that be?
Hello, we've come to look after you. Here's some fruit.
Here's some fruit and some cushions.
And some cushions. And here is your medicine.
Just like me for the frozen touches
It's
stuff.
like jammy yogurt flavored custard socks.
And here's a song to make you feel better.
Ooh.
Miss Polly had a dolly with 6